Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Gulaman Bar. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 Gulaman Bar, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of sugar. You might also want to prepare some flavorings, like pandan leaves or a fruit extract, to enhance the taste. Don't forget to have your molds or a shallow dish ready for when the Gulaman is prepared and needs to set. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Start by breaking your Gulaman Bar into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps it dissolve more easily. Next, combine these Gulaman pieces with 4 cups of water in a saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring continuously. Keep stirring until all the Gulaman has completely dissolved, leaving no lumps. Once your Gulaman is fully dissolved, it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. Carefully pour in 1 cup of sugar, stirring thoroughly until it completely dissolves into the hot mixture. This ensures your Gulaman will be evenly sweet. Now, you can incorporate your chosen flavorings, perhaps a few pandan leaves for an aromatic touch, or a teaspoon of your favorite fruit extract. Finally, let's get your Gulaman ready for setting and serving. Carefully pour the hot Gulaman mixture into your chosen molds or a shallow dish. Allow it to cool down at room temperature for about 30 minutes before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill the Gulaman for at least 2 hours or until it becomes firm. Then, it's ready to slice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.